So good afternoon, everyone. I just given you my brief introduction. My name is Atul Kape. I'm associated with BSF Chemical since last 27 years. So in this today's forum of surface coating expo, I would like to explain you about our sustainable pretreatment solutions. Okay, as many of you know about BSF Chemical, but it's my duty to explain you who we are and what we do. Okay, so as I said, many of you knows Chemical is the leading supplier in surface treatment solutions. You can find our technologies, advanced technologies on nearly every car which you see on the road. We have over 60 years of experience and expertise here in India. Last year only we celebrated our 60 years for Chemical India operations. Also, globally we have a network of more than 40 facilities and 16 production sites, which ensures the delivery of more sustainable and the advanced pretreatment global solution at the local levels. Right. So we offer comprehensive solutions to the surface treatment industry. These products are high performance product which delivers the need of diverse industry requirement. Okay. To make our approach easy to understand, we group our solutions under 5C concept, which are you can see here the cut, clean, coat and conserve. Okay. This framework reflects our commitment to delivering the end-to-end surface treatment solution that are efficient, sustainable, and also the tailor-made to the industry-specific requirement. So, if you want to understand more about these different products and different technologies, then we are exhibiting here. We have our stall at the ground floor, so I do invite you to visit our stall and understand more about these sustainable products and products offerings. Okay. So the main topic for today's forum is the sustainable pretreatment solutions. So one question, why industry need to emphasize or invest more onto finding the sustainable solution? Is it because we need to comply for the regulations? Is it only that? No. We have to think beyond the complying the regulations. We have to think conserving the natural resources. We also need to see that how we can reduce the impact on the environmental damage, as my friend Shahab has explained you about what are the consequences and what are the impact on the environmental damage. Okay. To control that, we need to think about more and more sustainable solution what we have currently in our industries. This is not only for the conservation of the natural resources or the effective utilization of resources, but it also help you to enhance the long-term operation efficiencies into your specific domain of operations. In addition to this, it also helps you to support the brand reputation. You might have seen many advertisements where they project that how green they are, and each and every company nowadays need to have that BSRS reporting, okay, which is mandatory, that what are the sustainable initiative industries are taking, that has to be declared, that is mandated by SEBI, and that is why we have to always try to find out the sustainable solutions into our regular operations. Okay. Because of this, we at Chemical has been pioneering in the sustainable pretreatment processes since early 90s for the different set of applications. So you can imagine that early 90s when there was no buzzword like this, sustainability here in India, at our principals sitting at Frankfurt, they have already started the development of the sustainable pretreatment solutions. Okay. There are many factors which influence the selection of the sustainable pretreatment or the thin film technologies like substrate. Then there are different requirements from different customer or the standards from the different customers. The equipment setups are sometimes different, and that is the reason that not all the thin film technologies currently available in market are same. So each one has their unique proposition or unique property of their thin film technology. So we at Chemital try to evolve and develop this sustainable pretreatment solution continuously, because we believe that change is the only constant. Right. As a novel example, I would say the Oxalan series of thin film conversion coating product, right from the pure silane system to the silane and organic system, which is applicable to the satellite boxes as well as to the automotive industry. And this particular process, Oxalan, is running in the automotive industry for more than a decade. And nowadays it is having #1 choice of the automotive industry for their surface treatment sites. Okay. So I will brief you about this thin film technology, which is we called Oxalan, which is the novel surface treatment processes having at present. Okay. So what makes this Oxalan series more effective? So you might have heard several types of thin film processes into the market, but the uniqueness with Chemital surface thin film surface treatment, which is the Oxalan, is the organofunctional silane what we use in our process. So many of you are from the paint industry. Basically silane, organofunctional silane are very well known into the paint manufacturing industry, where it is being used as a cross-linker promoter or the adhesion promoter. And the same organosilane, we use it in our pre-treatment, which basically go along with the zirconium, hexafluoride or the zirconium inorganic material. And during the reaction, the first reaction of say etching to the metal happen, like in other conversion coating process, the first reaction is etching of the surface. So here also in thin film process, the first reaction is etching of the surface, and there is a formation of highly resistance zirconia matrix. I'll just try to see whether pointers are working or not. Okay. So highly resistance zirconia matrix. Along with this, as I said, we have the organofunctional silane. So this organofunctional silane basically improves the flexibility, and it densifies the complete structure of that conversion coating film. You can see here some of the functional group like hydroxyl or the amine group. These are basically active in nature, and this functional group take part into the chemical reaction with the resin system of the paint. Okay. Unlike in conventional zinc phosphate, the adhesion of paint is being governed by the mechanical forces. Here in Oxalan thin film technology, the adhesion of the paint is being governed by the chemical bonding, and that's why we get better adhesion to the paint substrate, as well as because of this highly resistant zirconia matrix, we get better or superior corrosion protection. That said, as I said, this particular oxalate chemistry is there in market for more than a decade, and you can see the companies or the names here, where we have several references. Okay, there are few logos missing because of some approval like Tesla or Audi and the Volkswagen. Okay, so more than 60 automotive companies are currently using this thin film technology oxalane, and almost 3 crores of cars are on road without any negative influence. That said, there are many numbers on this particular slide. I will not go into those detail, but one thing we need to understand, that this particular thin film technology gives you ecological as well as the economical advantages. Okay. Apart from this, from the environmental point of view, it also lowers the CO2 emission, it simplified your wastewater treatment, it shortens the production line, and the utility consumption get reduced by almost 70%. Okay. So, as I said at the beginning, as we are evolving more and more into these thin film technologies, and this is one of the product which is specifically made for giving better corrosion performance on the cold roll steel or the difficult to treat steels like HHS or the boron steel material. Most of the advantage of this particular process are similar to the oxalate thin film technology, and the reaction mechanism is also same. Here we have different types of novel polymer which is being used. The steps, as I mentioned earlier, that the etching of the metal, and then the formation of zirconia matrix, and then deposition of the new functional polymer, which gives better say performance on the cold rolled steel surfaces. Okay, there are many advantages with this product, associated with this product. I will touch upon a few of them. So the application is spray or deep. Then we can also have the excellent anti-corrosion protection, very similar to the zinc phosphate, or in some cases, like I said, for the adhesion, it is better than the conventional zinc phosphate process. So here there are some demonstration for the panels you can see, which have been tested for 1000 hours or 1200 hours of corrosion. There are some mechanical testing. These are some of the stringent tests what we conduct, that the cross hatch, and then we do the bending. So this is most stringent test for checking the proper adhesion. Apart from that, on the difficult to treat surfaces or the boron steels, we get uniform film of the thin film processes. Unlike in the conventional processes, we get some difficulties for the cold rolled steel. As here we are comparing with the conventional or the available thin film processes, we are not comparing with the zinc phosphate. Okay, that said, we are in advanced stage, I would say, because we have one series of thin film process, and now we are launching the another series of thin film processes. So in conventional thin film processes, we used to have almost 3 or 4 product for makeup, and the concentration used to be somewhere around 30 or 40 grams per liter. Whereas in the advanced thin film processes like Gardobond Expo 689 and 4688, we used to have very low concentrations of the initial makeup. Okay, similar case for the replenishment. We only need to have 2 product. Instead of that, in the conventional process, people used to add almost 3 products like neutralizer and the acidifier. So here we save, right? Another 1-2 minutes. Okay, there will be a simple treatment for the effluent what we generate, and this particularly helps a lot into our particular pre-treatment line or the paint shop. On the left-hand side, you can see here the phosphate wastewater treatment facility has the extensive setup wherein we need to have different types of reactor, then the sedimenter, then we have to have the filter press. Whereas the right-hand side, you can see here the thin film processes, which need to have a very minimal setup for the wastewater treatment. Only we need to have the treatment with the milk of lime, and then the filtration, after filtration, we can use the same water back to the system. Okay. This is not only on the paper. We have customers here in India who could able to save almost 20 to 25 meter cube of water per day by adopting this closed loop system. Also, there are some customers in general industry who has done the closed loop system on their last rinses of the stations. Okay. So this particular slide gives you little more. Gives you the brief about the processes what we follow at present. Okay, this is the conventional zinc phosphate process, and the second row is the the brownfield process, where we just have the drop-in replacement of the thin film technology in place of the zinc phosphate. Okay, and the bottom one is the greenfield project, where you want to set up a new facility. There we can have very leaner, very cleaner processes. So this particularly saves almost 10 to 20% of your capex, and also it reduces the utility consumption by almost 70%. If you want to understand more about this, definitely we have our stall Expo there. You can come and we will have more discussions. So the final slide, this is the recommendation. So every line has different set of recommendations. This is just for the illustration purpose. Okay, that the cleaner and the rinse, and then we have to have the conversion coating with the thin film technology. So at the summary, what we would like to say that this thin film technologies are not just the alternatives to the conventional processes. These are the next standards into the surface coating industries. So we have to take it more seriously, and we have to find the avenues where we can adopt this particular thin film processes, as it gives you more lean, green, and clean environment. And that is why at BSF we believe in coating the future responsibly. That means the technology which conserve, which cut, which clean, and which coats with the efficiently and with the sustainable processes. So with this, I would like to take a pause here. If you have any queries, questions, or comments, please do visit our stall. You can ask it after the session is over. Thank you. Thank you very much.